Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in today's tutorial, we are recreating the iconic villain chic style of Mother Gothel from Tangled. So if you want to know how I can recreate this look, let me show you the steps through this video. So as for the hairstyle, first I'm going to just go to the curly hair category and put on this hair. And I'm going to change the color into black. Then click on the wavy hair and put on this hair, also in black. And then second one, put on this wavy hair, also in black. And last one, I'm going to complete it with this bangs. So click on the bangs and put on this one. Okay, so once you're done with the hair, you can start with the dress. So first I'm going to put on a currency item. So let's go to the fitting room, and first I'm going to put on this top from currency item, this one. And for the whole look, I'm going to wear this patterns in here for the dress. Change all of the color using these patterns. Okay, I'm also going to use these eyelashes from the code items. Okay, now let's finish the dress. Go to the women's sections, and first I'm going to put on this set in here, this hijab set, but for this I'm going to toggle it into skirt. So for the first preview, use the patterns, and for the second one, use gold. So this is the hex code that I'm using. And then I'm going to wear the sleeves and color it with the patterns. Also for the fur. And for the shoe, I'm going to wear this sandals in here, these high heels, and change the color into black. Then I'm going to combine it with socks and also make it black, so it will look like this for the shoe. And for the dress, I'm going to also put on this mini skirt, the white color in here, and use the pattern for the color. Last one, I'm going to just complete the look with this necklace. Toggle it into number 2, and for the chains I'm going to make color gold, and for the second color, or the gems color, I'm going to just leave it as it is. And this is the final look for Mother Gothel. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks button. Bye.